In this video, I will show you how to fix if you are getting an error message on your Xbox Series X or S which says can't get Teredo IP address. So if you are getting an error message that looks like this, follow along with me to fix this, and with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and fix this, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're on your Xbox dashboard, and what you're going to want to do is come into your settings. So if you come up to the top and go all the way to the right to this picture of a gear icon, and then press A on your controller to come into your settings. From here, make sure you're on the general section on this menu on the left hand side, then press right on your controller. Then what you want to do is press A onto network settings. From here, what you're going to want to do is come down to where it says advanced settings and press A. Then what you need to do is come down to where it says QoS tagging settings down at the bottom and press A. Now from here, chances are you've got these boxes ticked. Now you want to make sure both of these boxes are unchecked. So if they are checked, this can cause this error message. So what you want to do is basically uncheck both of these boxes and then restart your Xbox. Now don't worry, you're not going to lose any sort of saved data or games or anything like that, and you only need to do this once. So when you've gone ahead and restarted your Xbox, you should now be able to play successfully without receiving the Teredo IP address error message. So that is how to fix if you are getting the error message where it says can't get radio IP address on your Xbox Series X or S. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.